Before starting the installation of Armaflex, ensure all the equipment is clean, dry and free from contamination. When insulating straight pipes, first determine the pipe circumference, using a strip of Armaflex sheet of the correct specified thickness. Using a set square, cut the sheet with a sharp knife, keeping the knife flat. Armaflex adhesives should always be stirred prior to use. On large bore pipes, strips of Armaflex can be jointed together using Armaflex adhesive 520 or HT 625. After applying the adhesive, always allow between 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the ambient temperature and the relative humidity, to touch dry before fixing the joints together. Always apply firm pressure to the fixing joint.
Circumference. We cut it and obviously bond, center.
To determine the circumference of a pipe when using sheet insulation, put the Armaflex strip around the pipe and mark. Do not stretch the strip. Cut the mark and check the size. The strip should meet at the inner point of the thickness of material and should be movable. Transfer the size to the sheet using the measurement from the strip and cut length as required. Apply adhesive to fixing seam at 200 mm intervals on both edges and fix, after allowing the joint to touch dry. Move the seam to the desired position and avoid placing it upwards. Stagger all seams where applicable. Vapor seal the sheet ends to the pipe using Armaflex adhesive 520 or HT 625. Always apply adhesive to both the Armaflex and the pipe substrates. Check that the ends of the sheet are fixed down onto the pipe. Continue this process throughout the installation. Always ensure that the Armaflex sheet fabrications are fitted under compression and no gaps are present on any butt joints prior to completing the wet sealing in the seams.
A little more upwards, please.